Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got an unboxing video for you. This is a package from Tempest Knives. If you don't know Casey from Knivesfast, he's designed this knife, created the company Tempest Knives, and he had them on pre-order, so I pre-ordered one way back, I believe it was early July. So yeah, been waiting for it, and he got them in last week. Did QC checks all weekend. Actually got them to the post office on Monday, which was actually a holiday. And 3 days, my notification said out for delivery. And of course, today was the day they decided to re-blacktop my entire block. So I should have got this like 6 hours ago, but I finally got it. So let's get this thing opened up. And in the meantime, the knife I carried today was a Orion Solaris. Pretty awesome knife. Button lock. And yeah, let's get this thing opened up. Oh, there's more tape. More tape. This is kind of the standard box. Get a lot of knives in, so I should know better. Anything in here? Nope. There's the box. Packing peanuts. Just a few. So, nice little box. Got the Tempest Knives logo on there. I think that's pretty cool right here. Tempest Knives Pinion Black Micarta 14C28N. This is 14C28N also. I have several knives with that steel. But yeah, let's check this out. Well, got a cool sticker going in my toolbox. Tempest Knives. Leave that there. Thank you. We stand behind our products. See full warranty on our website. Right here. See information if you don't know. Take a screenshot. It's got a website. There's his email to the Tempest Knives Instagram account. And yeah, that's cool. So let's get to the knife. Here it is. Nice little Ziploc baggie, which I can't get open. There we go. Get the little gel desiccant pack out. Let's get this thing out. Yeah. Micarta handles on this. I'm liking that. It's got good texture. It's not really high polish, smooth. Yeah. Nice. I'm liking the micarta. I'm glad I got it. Blade centering on this. Right down the center. Can't beat that. Wire pocket clip. Now, a lot of people don't like wire clips. I love the wire clips, but you know, the ones I have on my Spydercos. This seems actually more rugged, more sturdier than some of the Spyderco knives. So yeah, I'm liking that. Love the pivot design. Designs on both sides. I think that's a T8. I'm not sure. I'll definitely do a full review on this thing after I use it a bit. This is just an unboxing. But yeah, check it out though. Nice micarta backspacer. Yeah, I'm digging this. Let's see, I can Spidey flick this thing open. Oh yeah, nice. Check the blade. I guess that's 14C28N. Nice stonewash finish. Flat grind. What's he call this thing? He's calling it a drop sheep, aka modified sheep's foot. I like that blade shape. That's going to be nice utility. It's got a good point. Good tip on it to pierce into something. Yeah, check it out. Cool blade, man. Actually has a forward finger choil. Big enough to actually use. And very, very straight handle, which I like. I like the lack of ergonomics. Lack of ergonomics, lack of finger grooves and everything. So much better, more comfortable. Yeah, it feels good. I don't feel that pocket clip hardly at all, and deep carry pocket clip. And it's pretty deep. You're not going to have much of the knife sticking out. Yeah, glad to finally get my hands on one of these. I didn't get on. The prototypes didn't make their way around to me. And to tell you the truth, I'm glad, because I know made the blade a little bit longer, 2 millimeters or something. Pocket clip was black. That's no big deal. Yeah, you can see stainless steel liners nested into the scales. This side's got holes in it. And of course you got the cut and everything for the lock side. Liner lock. Let's try thumb flipping it. Nice. Lockup is good. It's full lockup. The entire liner lock is into the tang, but it's like Stolu less than 50% over. Yeah, that's smooth. It is definitely easy to middle finger flick. I think it's easier middle finger flick than thumb flick. Slow roll it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's just... Casey did a good job. I like the looks of this from the moment I seen it. But now I have it in hand. Man, feels really good. But yeah, in case you don't know anything about this knife, go over the specs. I'll try to dig out something for size comparisons, but yeah. Overall length, 7.75 inches. Blade length is 3.4. Blade stock is 0.12 or 3.2 millimeters. I'm reading it right off his website. 14C28N, stonewash. The drop sheep shape. Handle length is 4.5 inches. Just big enough for me. I got the black micarta. I know he's had like blue G10, black G10. What was the other color? Blue, black. Oh, I guess that's it. Then the micarta. But yeah, right here. The 4 knives. Then you had a pack of 3, one of each. So these are the pre-order prices. Right here is the knife. This is a pre-order. So handle length's 4.5. I got the black micarta. Handle width is 0.48. It's not super thin, just about right. Weight is 3.6 ounces. Oh, it feels good. Balance point, if you want to know, is right about at the finger choil where the lock, liner lock is, which, by the way, great access to the liner lock, easy to get to, and it's smooth. It's pretty flush on this side, so it's not digging into your finger. But yeah, now you had these made by Kubi in China. So this might be the only second Kubi I've had on the Kubi made knife that I know of on this channel. And yeah, the Lynch Northwest Spectacle Wire replacement clip does fit this knife. So if you didn't like the wire clip, you could definitely change it out. I have several knives with Lynch clips. Yeah, size comparisons. Bring out the Orion Solaris again. Overall lengths, man, they're pretty close. The pinion is a little bit longer. Blade's a little longer. Should have had this stuff out. PM2. Yeah, I'm digging pair 3. So just a little bit smaller than a PM2. Move these all up here. How about Bug Out and 940 Osborne, which reminds me a lot of the Pinion. But yeah, kind of similar blade shape. I love the shape of the tip on the 940. Yeah, the same thing. Actually, it looks like the tip a little more robust. Blade stock's a little thicker on the Pinion, but boy, yeah, similar shape handle as far as ergos. This is a little taller, maybe a little thicker, so it fills my hand out better. I'm liking it. Plus it has a forward finger choil where the 940, well, I guess you could choke up. I have. But yeah, man, I'm glad I pre-ordered it. Glad it finally came. I really have been waiting forever. And I've watched a few of the videos when the prototype was going around, but not all of them. I was kind of waiting to form my own opinion on this. And yeah, I am digging it, no doubt. This is definitely going to be carried and used. And I like the way it feels. Love this blade shape. Like I said, one of my all-time favorites. Very similar. Actually, Pinion's got a little, oh, maybe not. I'm going to say maybe it's got a little longer belly. Yeah, So that's good. I like that. Man, what an awesome rugged tip on this thing. And yet, it's done very well. Very nice. But yeah, I guess that's, like I said, just a quick unboxing. I'm just kind of checking it out. Man, kind of rambling about it the way I do. Definitely nice action. It is on ball bearings. Check that blade centering out. Nice. Love the feel in my micarta. And if you look, you can see it's not overly polished. I do not like highly polished micarta. I like to actually be able to feel it. But yeah, I guess that'll do it. Check out the website. I had it on this phone. Right here it is, tempestknives.com. I'll put a link down in the description. I'll link Casey's YouTube channel, Knivesfast, also. And I know these were all pre-orders, and he has some left over, and on his live stream Monday said in a couple weeks they'll release them. So I don't know what the price is going to be. You know, usually I'm not even going to guess. Who knows? I don't know how much more there'll be. But the Pinion was 85 bucks. The other ones were 75. Yeah. So probably, you know, $10, $15 more. Let me tell you, this was 90 or 85. This was 100. I'd say definitely easily worth 100 bucks. Yeah. Awesome. So I guess that's it for this. Be on the lookout. I'll definitely do more videos on this. Full review. It'll be several weeks before I use it enough, carry enough to do a full review. But yeah, do the usual like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, bye.